Excuse me, how do I use this coffee machine? It's simple. First, choose your drink. Which button should I press? Tap the screen. Look, choose your coffee. Okay, I tapped it. What now? What do you want? Cappuccino. Press cappuccino on the list. I see it. And now, choose small or large. Large, please. I need energy today. Good. Now press start. Which button? Start or cancel? Start. Press it there. It's working. I got my coffee. See? Very easy. It was confusing 5 minutes ago. Now you understand. Next time, you'll do it alone. Thank you. You helped me a lot. Enjoy your coffee.
Hi, I need new shoes. Welcome. What's wrong with your current ones? They are old and very uncomfortable. When did you buy them? About 3 years ago. Let's check your size. Walk a little. Okay, good. Your size is the same. No change. Great. Now I want stylish shoes. What style do you like? Sporty or classic? Sporty, I think. What do you suggest? Try these white sneakers. Very popular now. Oh, they look nice. Are they comfortable? Very soft. Perfect for walking. I like them. How much are they? $90. That's fine. I'll take them. They will be ready in 30 minutes. Perfect. I'll walk around while I wait. See you soon, Sophia.
Excuse me, can you help me with this machine? Sure. What's the problem? I put my card in, but I don't understand this screen. What do you want to do? Check balance? Yes. Where do I press? Press check balance. That one. Check balance means see money? Exactly. Now choose your account. I want savings. Press savings. Where is it? Top left. See it? Yes, it shows my money. Don't forget your card. Oh, thank you. Are you new here? Yes, everything is different. You'll learn quickly. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome.
Good morning. Everything smells so nice. Thank you. What would you like? What is that? The one near the window? That is a chocolate muffin. Chocolate muffin? What's inside? Chocolate and butter. Is it sweet? Yes, but not too sweet. Is it soft? Very soft inside. Sounds good. I'll take one. Would you like tea with it? Yes, a small tea, please. Eat here or take away? Eat here. I am waiting for my shoes. New shoes? Yes, white sneakers. Nice choice. Here you go. Thank you. Wow, very tasty. I'm glad you like it.
Oliver, good to see you. How was your weekend? Busy. I am exploring the area today. On a Sunday? Yes. What do you do on weekends? Usually rest, but Sophia wants to go out more. Same here. Do you come here often? Sometimes. The park here is beautiful. Park? Where? 2 streets ahead. Green Park. I want to practice English there. Many people speak English there. What do you do after lunch? I walk and relax. Do you eat here often? Yes, the food is very good. What about evenings? I cook with my wife. Sounds nice. Enjoy your day. Thanks for the tip.
Excuse me, I like this shirt. Can I try it? Of course. What size? Medium. Here you go. Try it there. It feels tight. Too small? Try large. Yes, please. Here is large. This is perfect. Blue looks great on you. Really? I was not sure. Blue suits you well. How much is it? $30. I'll take it. Do you want to wear it now? Yes, it looks like rain. Good idea.
Hi, I need a simple English book. Sure, what level? Beginner. Follow me. So many books. Do you want grammar or speaking? Speaking. This one is good. Daily English. I like it. Also, try this phrase book. Sounds useful. Total is $20. Here is my card. Your English will improve. I hope so.
Hi, I want a haircut. Welcome. Sit here. Just a little shorter. To here, a little more. Okay, add light layers. Not too many? Yes, just a little. Your English is good. I practice daily. That's great. Not too short, please. Don't worry.
I need a raincoat quickly. Rain is coming. I see dark clouds. We have light and heavy coats. Price? $15 for light, $25 for heavy. I'll take heavy. Good choice. Thank you. Hi, I want a notebook. What type? Medium, lined. For English? Yes. This one has sections. Perfect. $6. I'll take it. I want to buy chocolates for my wife. That's sweet. No reason, just a gift. Try these. How much? $12. I'll take them.
What a long day. Yes, but good. I got new shoes. They look great. I also had tea and a muffin. Nice. And you? I learned to use a coffee machine. Good job. I bought a shirt and books. Busy day. Very busy, but happy. Yes, a perfect day.